London Tube Victoria line cars. Only a couple of things missing. These red doors. Just I put old ones on and transparent ones. They'll all have to become like this car here. These red doors. And here's an extra car. And I'll show you what I did with the modification. I won't be able to do this with one hand. I'll try anyways. There it goes. Okay. These are the new trucks, which are made for only plastic wheels. A little bit of light here. And I managed to modify them so that the metal axles will fit on them. So what I did was, and this isn't going to be easy either. Okay. So this is a 1x2 plate, another 1x2 plate, glued together with glue for plastic. Watch your fingers when you do that, so you don't get your fingers stuck together. Put them on this plate. There's two of them. Another one's still on here. It's right there. Okay. And take out some wheels. And here's the axle. And here's the base. Put the reflection on. And put it, okay, there, perfect. So I did a couple of notches on the inside and interior, right here and here, so that the axle passes by loosely. And I filed these edges here. Let's see if I can get a shine right on them. There, sort of. Okay, anyways, on the inside part, these originally have a little lip. I lost it. Go back a bit. Wait. Okay. They have a little lip inside. I filed them away, not completely, just a bit, so that the wheels turn loosely, or else they get stuck and they don't roll. And I'll put them back on. Okay. And I'll put this back on. Okay, and there you have it. Rolls perfectly. Stick this back on. Okay. And this is part of the white base. So I have the gray base and the white base. I turn the reds inside. There it goes. Okay. Now I have the 3-car train in the back and the 4-car train right here. And give me a second and I'll put them back down in the subway. Okay, time to rev up the engine. Before I start up, if you have problems with the magnets, you just use a piece of a magnet and add it on so it magnetizes once again. So I'll go back with this guy. See which one it is. Okay, go back a bit. There, okay. Time to go. Okay. Also forgot to mention I finished the rooftops. These are all finished too. I just have to change the doors. And there's a couple of inverted slopes on one of the trains, front and back, which I have to also get. Okay, I also retiled the stations. And I've been working on the city. There's people scattered everywhere. I'm working on sidewalks. Here and there. And there's all the shops down in the corner. Small crane just for the city. Oh, the TARDIS. There's the McDonald's without the logo on it, with the dark green base. The new ones. First floor. Main floor. Entrance. And someone ordering something. Can't go in because the camera's too big. There, you can see a little bit better. And what else do we have? Oh, forgot about this guy here. Oh, look. It's me while metal detecting. If it can only focus. There it goes. So I'm metal detecting with my friends. Oh, there's a yellow submarine. With people standing in water. A couple of Daleks hiding. And an A&W. And what else? And then the usual mess here and there. Okay, until next time I will up high in the air and stop it here.